Good morning, students. Look here. Here is the remaining part of 19th lessons. We often use have to express obligations. We use have to express obligation, full stop. If we are talking about something that was necessary to do in the past, we use had to. Okay? In the past, we use had to because it has a past tense. It is also used to form questions when we are talking about necessity or obligations. Oh, okay, necessity or obligation. Have to has a model meaning as it needs another verb to give the meaning of the action. Look here, have to, it is necessary to do something. Look present. Here are some pronouns I, you, we, they. Have to in present. We use here have to in present, and singular pronouns she, he, it. That time we use has to. Okay. With plurals pronouns or nouns we use have to. With singular pronouns or nouns we use has to. Okay. In negative sense, look here, I, you, we, they. These are the plurals nouns. That time don't, have to. Okay, that means we use here don't, that negative word. Okay, negative, for negation or negative we add here don't. Okay, don't, have to. Okay, and in with a singular, that means singular pronouns she, he, it. That time we use doesn't. Are you getting that? Doesn't. And here don't. With plural nouns don't, with singular noun doesn't. Have to. Okay. Now in past, say in past, positive or negative both are here. Okay, look here. In past, I, you, he, she, he, it, we, they had to in positive sense. Okay, had to in positive sense with all subjects. That means plural or singular pronouns. Okay, had to in past tense, positive and negative. I, you, she, he, it, we, they. These all singular and plural subjects or pronouns. Here we use didn't in negative sense. Okay, it is related with past tense, didn't, have to. Now when we use here didn't and in front of we use here have to. Okay, did plus v1, remember this, did plus v1. Now look here, how to make a questions. Look here, with the help of that have to, do I, we can take any one pronouns. Okay, do I have to. That means look here, there are pronouns I, you, we, they. Okay, from this pronouns you can take any one. Do I have to, yeah, do you have to, like this. Okay, now if the pronouns are singulars, she, it, she, he, it. Okay, and then that time you can use here does she have to, question mark. Okay, like this. Okay, does, that time you use here does, and then next have to, do and have to with plural nouns. Okay, now in past tense. Okay, did plus have to, the all pronouns are here, you can use any one. Okay, now look the next line, I have to help in my parents shops after school. Okay, I have to help, that is necessity. Okay, or obligation, in my parents. Okay, in my parents shop after school. Now the second one, Tom can't come to the cinema with us tonight because he has to look after his little brother. Look here, here we use has to according to this singular pronoun. Okay, he is a singular pronoun, so we use here has to instead of have to. Have indicate the pluralness. Okay, now look here, does your friend in India have to go to school on Sundays, question mark. Look here, we make a question. Okay, now next one, do you have to take your dog for a long walk every day, question mark. Here we use do. Okay, look here. Now the next one is there. We use negative to show that a person can choose what to do. There is no obligation. Okay, there is no obligation. You don't have to wait for me. Okay, that means there is no necessary or no obligation, that indicate don't. Okay, don't have to wait for me. I will walk home on my own. Now the next sentence is here. We don't have to wear school uniform today because it's the last day of term. Okay, now that means there is no necessary. We don't have to wear school uniform today because it's the last day of term. Must doesn't have a future tense but is often used to future meaning. We use to talk about arrangements that we want to make or to talk about future intention. Okay, look. We must write to each other more often. It's important to keep in touch with friends and family. To talk about the past, we use had to. Okay, when we are talking about past, that time we use had to. We don't use must. Okay, I had to get up early yesterday because we had to catch an early train. Are you getting that? Okay, I had to get up early yesterday because we had to catch an early train. Okay, did Tom have to do an audition before he joined the school orchestra? Question mark. Yes, comma, he did. He had to play to different pieces. Okay, if you are changing from direct to report speech, that means you are changing from direct to reported speech, you should use have to instead of must. Okay, instead of have to you can use their must. Okay, I must finish my homework before dinner, inverted comma close, then said Ima. Okay, Ima said that she had to finish her homework before the dinner. Okay, instead of this must we use here had to. Okay, now look here. We use have to in the future tense. We form uh, we form it with I, you, he, she, it, they, will, have to or will not have to, won't have to also. Okay, look here. We have missed the last bus, so we will have to walk home. Okay, that indicates short form. We have missed the last bus, so we will have to walk home. Now the last sentence is here. Sarah and Molly won't have to pay because Molly's father's work in the theater and has given them two complimentary tickets for the concert. Okay, in this way you can understand or revise all points related with have to, had to or must. Okay,